Hello and welcome to week 4's Jing for CIS 126 Intro to Python. Jason here. We're going to take a look at the currency converter program. So let me just go ahead and get in here and edit my code with idle so we can take a look at what I wrote here. So I start off with setting variables, starting with US dollars, and assuming that whoever's using this was going to be converting from US dollars to the other currency type. So I used a float type here so I could get the format to match what dollars and cents would be. And then I have the input here. So it's going to ask how many US dollars do you have? And then from there, it's going to print what you said you had in US dollars and then ask which currency you want to convert to, whether it's British pounds, Canadian dollars, Swiss francs, yen, and for my wild card I chose Bitcoin because that's all the rage right now. So I have my variables for the conversion. English pound is the US dollars times the exchange rate that's from the website. Then I want to round to two places again so it can be as close to what a dollar amount would be as possible. So now let's see here. So then I set another variable display conversion that's equal to the input here. And then I made a statement, so if what the input there, what the user is puts in is equal to British pound, it's going to basically match that US dollar variable times the exchange rate and output onto the screen based on what the user inputs. So we have that for, so if the user puts British pound, it's going to print that. But if they don't put that, then we've got kind of a loop here going. So then it checks Canadian dollars, Swiss francs, Japanese yen, and then Bitcoin. And basically as long as the user puts in one of these things, it should work. So let's take a look. We'll try running it and see how it works. So I'm going to run it. So it's going to ask how many dollars we have. So we're going to do $50. And for this one, we're going to choose Swiss francs. So then it gives me equals the 46.97 Swiss francs, which should be my US dollars input times the exchange rate here from my variable. So that looks like it worked well. So let's test it one more time to see how it looks. So we'll try a different amount. Actually, no, we'll do the same amount and then try a different. We'll try Bitcoin just to see. So as we can see, it's equal to about a penny in Bitcoin, so not too much. So that's what I have for the currency conversion. And it seems to be working okay and rounding the way I hoped it would and getting the output I hoped it would. So that's it for this week's Jing. We'll see you next week. Thanks for watching.